What is Notion? Notion... Well, it's not an AI chatbot. It's not a task tracker. And Notion is definitely not a note-taking app. Notion is a better way to work, with all your team's knowledge, projects, and AI, all in one place. And it's the first workspace that actually does the work for you. Where every meeting and decision gets captured and then used to take action. Where every project gets tracked and then kept up to date, all by itself. Where everyone can find instant answers across all your apps. And where the questions get responses automatically. It's how the fastest teams move even faster, with a beautiful workspace built just for them. So, what is Notion? Maybe that's the wrong question. Notion does the busy work, so you can do your life's work.